For an organized study sessions, I use Notion. It's basically my second brain at this point. And speaking of Notion, let me put you on something that's made my academic life so much easier, the Leaf Studio. They create super aesthetic and functional templates for students. Just head over to their website, scroll through, and pick the one that fits your vibe. Can you see how neat and clean everything looks? I'm using their academic planner and I got it in color pink. But they also have it in blue, neutral, and green so you can match it to your aesthetic. Here's everything that comes with it to help you stay organized. My dashboard includes notes, a to-do list, and navigation features. To keep your focus sharp, there's a built-in Pomodoro timer and it's ideal for study sprints or deep work sessions. Just hit start and get in the zone. And for the vibes, I embedded Chelsea's study playlist from Spotify right into my dashboard. It's low-fi, chill, and sets the perfect mood for productive study sessions. Then, there's the weekly course schedule, a clean layout that helps you map out your classes day by day, and it's super helpful for keeping track of lectures, labs, and study blocks throughout the week. Looking ahead, there's a monthly assignment and exam calendar. You can track major deadlines, exam dates, and important academic events so nothing sneaks up on you. Each course includes a detailed table where you can track your assignments and exams. You'll see the name of each task, due date, submission status, your grade overview, and even feedback. It's all laid out clearly so you can monitor your progress and stay on top of your performance. They also offer the Ultimate Student Planner, which is a bit more detailed and packed with features. First, it includes savings tracker. If you're saving for something big, just enter your deposit amount and it auto-calculates your progress. Everything is organized so you can track expenses, budget smarter, and avoid those where did my money go moments. This one's a game changer. For every course, you can input your scores and instantly see your grade average. And the habit tracker, where you can set weekly goals, track habits like reading or exercising, and reflect on your progress in the built in journal. So, if you're interested, I'll link everything in my description box and pin comments so you can check it out. You can use my code GUY20 for 20% off your purchase. Thank you so much, The Leaf Studio.